there a few moments ago, and I went in there and I put the gasket down on the seat, and I dropped my pants, and I got down to go to the bathroom. That thing already flushed.
Flushed on us,
I know it happened to you guys too. Hold on, calm
flushed on
down.
us too.
So I put another gasket on the seat. I went to drop my pants again. The thing flushed again. This went on for several minutes. I got upset, just like the rest of you.
On us too.
So I put my foot up on the sensor, and I decided to go at least go number 1. And I started to go, and all of a sudden I slipped, and I started peeping into the stall next to me on some gentleman's shoes.
Is that you, Mr. Rockstar? Thanks to you, my shoes are now yellow.
Well, now they match your teeth.
Thanks a lot. Hey, I got
watch your mouth. This is a family show. However, if we were to turn the camera towards your wife, we'd have to call it a horror show.
Oh, thanks a lot, Mr. Rockstar.